Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. How do we do that? Number one, we help you build your foundations. We achieve that by making an optimized plan for your learning journey. Number two, we help you prepare and ace your entrance examinations in statistics and data science, like IIT JAM MS, ISI MStat, and CMI MSC Data Science. Number three, we give our absolute best to help you design your career by organizing workshops and certified data science courses. To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IIT MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MS Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Today we are going to solve this problem from CMI Data Science 2022, problem 8. So let's start with problem 8. The problem says that let n be greater than equals 5, be a natural number, and let x is equals to the set x1, x2 up to xn, and y equals to the set y1 and y2. And let f be the set of functions from x to y, and g be the set of bijective functions from x to y. Then the number of functions in f equals n square, or it equals 2 to the n. The number of functions in G equals n square minus 2, or it equals 0. So basically we need to find the number of elements, the number of functions in the set capital F, and the number of functions in the set capital G, right? So let's see. It's a very easy problem actually, very easy problem. So given x is the set, this x1 through xn, and y is the set containing only two elements. See, n is greater than equals 5. This is also quite important. So the number of functions from x to y, that means just the number of functions, any functions. Number of functions from x to y is actually 2 to the n. Why? Because see, x has two options to map, right? Map to, right? X can map either on y1 or y2. This x1 term can either map on y1 or y2, right? So it has two options. Again, x2, the element x2 also has two options. The element x3 also has two options, and so on. The last element xn also has two options, right? So they all have two options. So by the multiplication property, by the multiplication rule, it's 2 to the n. So the set f has 2 to the n elements. That means there are 2 to the n functions in f, right? So option B is true, not A, right? F contains 2 to the n elements. And for G, see, to form a bijective function from x to y, mod x must be equals to mod y. That means the number of elements in this set x must be equal to the number of elements in the set y. They must have the same cardinality. They must have the same number of elements. But here n is greater than equals 5, right? That means the number of elements in the set x is at least 5, right? Where the number of elements in y is only 2. So no bijective function is possible, right? So G has zero elements. Why again? Because see, if x1 gets mapped to suppose y1, then x2 has only the choice to get mapped to y2, right? And the remaining elements cannot map onto anything because they've already been taken by the previous elements, right? So it cannot happen because bijection, if a function is to be bijective, then it has to be both surjective and injective, right? So they cannot map into the same elements, right? So yeah, there is only zero possibilities here. So G has got zero elements, right? So the number of functions in G is equals to 0. So option B and option D are the true answer to this problem. It's a very easy problem actually. It's a 10 plus 2 problem. So yeah,